Looking for how to buy shares of Annovis Bio? Annovis Bio is a biotech company developing therapies for neurodegenerative conditions. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ANVS, and this video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identification document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker ANVS to locate the stock. Make sure you select the result that corresponds to Annovis Bio to find the correct listing. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the page shows Annovis Bio and the ANVS ticker before proceeding to an order. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before it allows confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example linked to eToro, see the description below.